welcome to BlueChem Marketing. I'm Christina. Our company starting off as applicator for Mapei in waterproofing and concrete repair. So over the years, with the experience that we accumulated from our projects, so we are confident to provide a one-stop solution center for our customer.
In BlueChem Marketing and as a distributor for Mapei, we have a comprehensive range of Mapei products.
Starting from tile adhesive, waterproofing, and also concrete repair,